This is the Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. So in this case, as you probably know, if you are into skincare, is that there's different types of retinol. And if you're not so much, this brand is going to help you learn more about the skincare. So they have the instructions over here on how to layer your skincare, which is fantastic. I really appreciate that. And in this case, this will help you skin your soften the appearance of the fine lines that you have. Right now I'm in my late 30s, so I am paying more attention to all of this. So I am looking for the Korean options on the skincare, and this is the Gentle Retinol. So I love also the colors. Their brand is doing such a good job with all the colors. They're so nice and attractive, especially if you are like me, a visual person. This is so nice. So you only need a few drops of this. You can also find instructions always in the back, right when all the layers. So it says gently massage into the skin after serums. So use 3 to 4 times per week at night. So you can utilize this one at night only, and you don't have to utilize it every day. So that's important. And you also have the instructions on how to layer other products with it. So you have to be careful, and you can discontinue if you feel like it's too rough for your skin. So in this case, this is completely closed. We utilize this one to open it, and then it's just a few drops, okay? Just a little bit, so that way we over here, this is one of the areas that I struggle the most, and a little bit in this area and over here, and that's it. That's all you really need from this. I'm just gonna make sure that it's all over my skin and properly absorbed. And that was it. That was step number 3 for those of you that would like to utilize the retinol of Good Molecules.